Hello everyone. Last time I said I was building a full keyboard handheld computer based on a Raspberry Pi Zero W, and it was like a case. So this time, this is it in a 3D printed case. It's light and it's a little fat. On the top, the charging port, the power button, the power indicator, the audio output. On the left is our SD card. On the back is a heat exhausted port. And this button is for keyboard reboot. The toollet belongs to the Raspberry Pi Pico. On the front, this is the 2-inch IPS screen. Its resolution is 320 by 240. It's very small, but it's okay to use. The keyboard is a 60 keys, a custom keyboard based on Raspberry Pi Pico. I did find a method to put labels on it, but it's not a permanent solution because it's very easy to lose. I already have a good solution for the keyboard. I will mention it in the end of the video. Let's open it up to see what's inside. Let's see what's inside the Raspberry Pi Pico board. The Pico board is actually a compatible board, not the original one. The back case actually printed it in 2 pieces and then solder it into one piece. Battery. The top board is the audio output headboard, and the Raspberry Pi Zero W here. And this black one, this board is the Pisugar power board. And I use the Raspberry Pi Zero W's USB port to link to the keyboard. The keyboard is actually, I soldered it myself. It's a rough work, but works. I use a lot of hot glue in this build. That's not a good practice, but currently it's okay. Yeah, easy to lose. Now put it back again. About the keyboard is based on a pico board. Pico, actually a pico compatible board. I do have this pico board, the original pico board, but not use it because the reset button. In this case, the reset button is very useful for this case because it's not have any USB port to use for backup solution. So the reset button is a good one. I did use this machine a few months, and it's still usable. Now about my mentioned before, the more better keyboard solution. It's not just the solution. It's actually a new machine. This is another build. That's based on a Raspberry Pi 3A Plus, and this keyboard is what I mentioned, the good solution. I just printed the keys label on another piece of the board. So the result is more usable one. Yeah, the reset button. Now let's end this video. Put this new one in another video. Bye.